Howdy, my name is Teresa. I work for North 40 Outfitters, and today I want to talk to you a little about taking good care of your Western boots when you buy them. As you know, leather can dry out over time, so you want to make sure that you're conditioning leather products, purses, belts, boots, whatever. You always want to make sure you're protecting them. I would say you want to probably condition and clean your boots every 3 or 4 months. So it's really an important step. It's an inexpensive step to protecting your boots, and you get more wear and tear out of them. So this here is a Justin boot, and if this one here, if you notice, it's a little bit scuffed up on the edge. The leather looks a little bit dry. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how the Justin leather care product system kind of helps with taking care of these boots. So you always want to start out with a cleaner. This one here is a leather cleaner by Justin. So we're just gonna take like a terry cloth towel or a light towel. Little dab will do ya. So just a little bit around to kind of clean up the leather, get all the dust and the dirt off the top. And you're just gonna clean it this way. You don't want too much moisture on the boot with a cleaner because again, we're trapping the moisture. So you just want to use just a tiny bit. The vamp of the boot, you can clean the vamp of the boot. The one thing that I kind of stay away from is conditioning the vamp, especially if you have like some stitching. You can condition it, but if you're working in the field or on the farm, you want to make sure that the stitching just doesn't start to get dirty because the conditioner is definitely on it. So now you can go into the conditioning part. Here is the Justin leather conditioner that we're going to try out today. We're gonna go ahead again, just a little bit will do the trick. So with a dry cloth, you wanna make sure that you rub it in. You don't scrub it in, you just make sure that you kind of rub it in gently, and that's gonna kind of take out some of now you're conditioning the leather, you're putting moisture back into the leather, and you can see too, some of the dirt and dust is already coming off. And you rub that in so it's nice and saturated into the leather. And then we're gonna take their third product here, and that's their mink oil. Mink oil is also a cleaner, but this is gonna give us some nice shine, and it's gonna give the boots a nice drink of water, if you will. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start that. You wanna just go in circles. I always work my boots in circles and see where the scuff was. You can see it disappear. And then just work that around the boot. Again, remember, before we giddy up and go outside again, you want to make sure that you let your boots dry for 24 hours. This is a nice light cleaner or mink oil. It's really it's a nice job. Justin did a great job with this one. Always take care of your boots. An investment in your boots. The leather is expensive, so for an inexpensive way to protect your boots and get longer life out of them, make sure you ask our associates about how to care for them and what products we have to protect your investment. So thank you so much.